by parking by vehicles, but
Oh.
Yeah.
that's okay. So just like, let us stay home. Rather.
How does this guy work?
Hey, the thing is open, Rick.
Yes, finally.
Oh, you want that?
You guys must know what to do. You guys come here all the time.
You guys must know what to do because you come here all the time. Is he taping you,
I
maybe?
have no idea.
You have no idea.
I have no idea.
But you thought these were just pictures, huh?
Yeah.
No, these are video.
Video. Oh, great. That's what she does.
So you can see yourself.
All right.
I have a question. Where do you
You
find
need some fruit, too. You have to eat some
I
fruit.
don't
A little.
I don't want any muffins.
This is for when we.
What?
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, they are good, aren't they?
Tastes
go
like French
wrong.
fries.
Yeah.
For when it's hot.
Special short. What's it called? Birthday wishes. Oh. Could you read that?
Oh no, Jack ruined it.
We had the trees down, the power went out. What else could you do?
Oh.
So I made a little book. Oh, I have.
Yeah, well, it's a flower.
Oh,
But it's snowflake when you open it up.
oh, it's something.
Awesome, Mira.
Do you?
What are all those boxes?
Oh, look at that tongue.
A really squishy.
It's what?
It's pretty comfy.
Pretty soft.
Look at this.
It's really comfy looking. Oh, even just like this. This is nice. Yeah.
Very color coordinated.
Look at her. They work for us.
Yeah, this would work.
Yeah,
Work.
that'll work.
Get it?
You each could have your own.
So Jack,
Yeah.
would you call that? Would you call that orange?
No, I call it red.
Red?
Yeah. Or I don't know.
I don't know. It seems kind of orangey to me.
Hey, do it to me.
Yeah. Hey, look at that cool picture on the wall, Jack. Oh, wow.
A little accident here.
What do you mean?
Oh, getting salmon?
Oh, not on there.
That's the kid. Grumbling tummies? Why? Wait, the candle, the red candle.
Okay, me and Colt.
Alright, well,
We have to say goodbye.
okay, say
Just a minute. Goodbye, honey. I'm glad we got together.
Bye, Jack. Bye, Mia.
Don't forget your candy.